that wheel was only turning. This wheel was turning, but it wasn't grabbing at all. And I'm going, God, I'm keep fighting this thing, keep fighting it to keep it straight. Let me show you what happened. So I started taking this thing apart to change the transmission out of it, and lo and behold, this is what I find. So I gotta take that off, and there's your bearing that goes, there's the bearing that goes inside here, okay? So you can either take that off or leave it on. I'm just doing this for to show you guys what's going on. So you take this off, and okay, let's just take this off. Okay, it won't come off. I gotta pull it off, but check it out. Look at that gear. The gear was literally half wore out. This is a spare machine. I took the sprocket off, or the gear off this machine, put it on the other machine, kept going, and put this on the spare machine. So I don't know if you guys can see that really good. I'm going to give you the video over here and show you guys. Look how that it stripped that half that gear off. Okay, so what was happening is this tire wasn't even grabbing, and so only that wheel on the other side was pulling the machine to the right. Okay, so pretty easy fix. Don't get excited before you start pulling stuff apart, because this might have happened. Other side could happen too, and it's just wear and tear, right? Maybe you did something that jammed it and started the whole process, or who knows what happened, and that just comes off with that little clip right there, and you just pull that off, put the new one on, and if you want, order one or two now if you keep using these machines. The new one, the Exmark 2024 model, was it 23 or 24? Anyway, whatever. I'm going to take it apart and make sure this is the same thing. I'm sure it is, because Toro and Exmark is exactly the same machines and everything else. So we're gonna go from there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and maybe save you a few dollars from buying transmissions and everything else, and taking it into the shop at 140, 50, 60, $80 an hour, and saying, oh yeah, it was just a gear. And the gear was only 10 bucks, 12 bucks, whatever it is. And now you got $1,000 bill to get it back. Anyway, take care.